What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Yardi and we're back with another small DIY project for you guys. We're back with the Bmw E36 M3. Now we have an issue that's not a really big issue, but it's something that really gets under my skin. If we're gonna look at my trunk, when we pop it open, it obviously does not hold. So we're gonna replace these little bad boys. It's a very easy fix. Well, at least it should be a very easy fix. I haven't done this, so it's gonna be my first time doing it with you guys. So these together were $31 and some change. I got it within the 4 days, and let's get right into replacing these, and then hopefully it'll fix the issue and my trunk is gonna have some support when it shuts down and opens up. But let's hop right into taking these apart and I'll show you how to pop these right back in. All right guys, so this is the package. The brand is Stabilis. I don't know if I'm ruining the name on how to pronounce it, but we're gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you guys what this is all about. So this is how it looks like right here. This is your top part, this is your bottom. Very easy. This clip right here, I'm gonna try to focus on it. What you have to do is you basically have to stick your screwdriver, and the screwdriver is the only thing you're gonna need. And once you stick the screwdriver underneath, very gently, it's gonna open up. If you guys see, it opens up. Now when it opens up, you need to push it upwards, so you got to push it this way, and what that does, it opens up this right here. Let the camera focus a little bit. So it opens that up and you're able to put it on the ball that we're going to take apart right now, and then you click this back right in to its position and it's going to lock itself into its place. So let's take this apart and then start popping this one back in. Alright guys, so we just removed the old one, cleaned up these little balls right here that are on your car. The new ones actually come already lubricated, but if you want to put more lubrication, you could put them right here when you're going to put everything back into its place. Now what we're going to do is what I told you, we're going to gently release these so we could pop that back into it. Let's try to do this right here. So be very careful, because I heard it's a pain if you take it out of where it's supposed to be. So you have to basically push it up like that, and then same thing goes here. So let's like that, put it in, and same goes for the bottom part. Be very careful, do not pop it up. There you go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on top like so, and once it's in, you're gonna have to push this back in and you should hear it click. Let me get my screwdriver. There you go, that's clicked, that's in its place. And then same thing goes for the bottom. It's in, and let's get the screwdriver. Same thing, boom, that's it. So one side is done and we're gonna start getting into the other side, and then once we're done with that, hopefully it fixes the trick and the trunk works properly. Little fix, 30 bucks. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's hop onto the other side and then see our final result.
A few moments later.
So we finished with the trunk struts. It works better, but it could be better. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So it was slamming before, now it kind of supports it. There you go, it's softly. And then right here it opens up, but then you get that, so it kind of like boom. It works better, like I said, but not the way I think it's supposed to work. But I don't think it's the struts. I think maybe it's something else I need to adjust over here. But overall, we finished, put the product into its place the correct way, and I'll work on that, figure out, maybe it just needs a little bit of time or something, because I don't know, I put everything the way it's supposed to be, as you guys can see. So we finished with this DIY project for the BMW E36. What I'm trying to do with this car right now is fix everything that does not work. We did the suspension, we did the cowl, we did this, we're gonna do the door handles, and then probably more cosmetic stuff that needs to be done with this particular car. But thanks again for tuning in and watching me with another DIY project. Check out, you could buy these things on Amazon, you can buy it at FCPU or any other BMW distributor for parts. Thanks again for watching. Check out my other videos and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.